today will be maybe a day in Unilag or something like
Yay! Look who's here.
that. Why did they say? Okay, I think I'll ask it. Oh, you started.
What is this anti-shy? Look here now.
Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Look who's here. Get now, babe.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have Queen Esther again.
Yeah, hi guys. It's good to be back. It's good to be back. I feel so good, guys.
It's okay. Anyways, if it's your first time joining, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and do all of those things. So yeah, where are we?
Please comment down below if you like this video too. And if you like me, as a joke. Okay, so what? Unilag, University of Lagos. We're currently in front of the mosque.
Why is this place famous?
Okay, Unilag is famous because our slogan is the University of First Choice and the nation's pride. We say in school that there are only two universities in Nigeria, University of Lagos and others. That means we're the best. We're known for social.
It's okay. You're already swelling.
Let me sell my market. It's not easy. Very soon, by special grace of God, I'll be bagging a BA from this university.
Okay,
do you think it's beans? Like my certificate is worldwide recognized. Okay. It's not like some schools that you collect and just ask you, is it a school you went to a bookshop? I'm not even joking.
Seriously, you're in Nigeria?
Yeah, there's some schools that they like, is it that those schools that have not been accredited or that not recognized? You know, for example, if I want to do masters anywhere abroad, you know that there's some schools that some unis abroad can't take.
Yeah.
Because they don't know what value or they don't know their standards and all of these things. But
Unilag is Unilag. So
okay, so we are at the Chapel of Christ Our Light, University of Lagos. You are welcome in the name of the Lord. You are welcome. Kofo, this is our first time in University of Lagos, the only university in Nigeria, and this is our amphitheater. So in your lifetime, you've reached the amphitheater.
I think it's single. So if you're available, you can just.
I'm ready to mingle.
I'm in love with Jesus.
No, I thought you were in love with the devil.
This is the best message in Nigeria.
I think this is my best.
I just what?
Look, evidence of the fact that you came to Unilag.
I just what?
You guys are yapping.
No, we're saying the truth actually.
Hello. I'm Emmanuel. And we have Coco and Esther.
My name is Esther.
So you're starving me. You need buy food for me. See, my table is very empty. Am I supposed to eat my phone? Of course not. God shall supply all my needs. Are you shy?
Time to eat. Let's get right into the food. Somebody's daughter. Look at you. Yay! Somebody's wife.
Someone like,
I'm videoing myself. Eat your food. Do you think I'm lying? I'm videoing myself now. So, babe, we're back. Fire station Unilag. I'm the tour guide for today.
fire station.
Look at the building, so beautiful.
Yep.
And yes, we're about to get to two very important places in the University of Lagos. The first one, I'll give you a hint, and the second one, I'll tell you much later. Now, the first one happens to be the tallest building in the University of Lagos.
Yep.
If you've heard,
When will we get there?
we're about to get there.
When will we get there?
Hey, I will shoot them from afar now, brother. Why you always
One.
this place? And by the special grace of God, beautiful royalty made welcome pillows for all the guys that came to paint this place from BBC. Yeah, true. The logistics team that received them in Nigeria gave me the job. So when I tell you that money is not my problem, you think I'm joking. I'm a very rich babe, bro. Everywhere I go, I see money.
Okay.
As I'm walking, like the money is falling down. Amen. It's just a fire. So the second building is an important building because it's the Faculty of Arts and Humanities of the University of Lagos, the faculty that I am a student and I've been admitted to study English. So if you can tell by my accent, I sound quite different. I don't sound like the usual people that you meet on the road, but I sound pretty different, and that's why I'm number one. So I'm going to turn the camera so you can see the Faculty of Arts, University of Lagos, and the Senate building. I thought that was Femi. So I'll come in. If you can see, that's the Faculty of Arts, and then that's the Senate building.
Is that where your school is?
Yeah, that's my college. So this is a all. We're about to enter Afe Babalola all now, and a lot is going on. So this is like this. So hi guys, welcome back to Mami Naija. Okay, so thank God the noise is off now. So please subscribe, follow, click on the bell on the down there.
Guys, good morning.
As you can tell, we just woke up from sleep. The man has to work. It's a very beautiful day for this place to speak about it today. It's blessed for our sakes. Yaba! I know you have the positive. If you're in Nigeria, you live in Nigeria, you don't know what that is. Probably it's everybody. Probably. Yaba!
I don't think go to where they used to take bus there.
No, like this morning they're not loading, so it's better we wait here. If you go there, you have to wait for buses full. A lot of people don't go out in the morning. Sure you get.
Yeah.
Okay, so it was really nice in this beautiful shower.
I know. It was nice having this ugly woman around.
You know, you're always so ugly. Physically bad. Can tell that this lady here is not ugly. But it was really nice. I hope to see you soon again.
In Jesus' name. Amen.
And I hope that our more we see is going to be better, it's going to be bigger, it's going to be more glorious. Jesus.
Amen.
Early morning, my voice is always cracked, so sometimes you're not able to hear me. But as you can tell in the other videos I did, my voice was really clear, and I was projecting happy. This is part of the early morning also.